Definitely.
I now solved this Rubik's Cube.
Which one?
Hear you over all the other people talking. Just hear mama, 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 mama.
What? The hand gesture was good. Vanna, why did that good?
So she told us that.
So I'll double it in English later. Double it in Japanese.
This is my plan to rule the world.
And I guess they were going to place that out on there. Yours is good. But they didn't take the outside, they didn't fix it a little bit. And anyway, she told Bobby that she could have anything in there except for the stove and the refrigerator and dishwasher and stuff like that. Right. And so he took advantage of it. That's where and so he said something kind of pretty good.
I just want to find the right one to put this way.
Somebody I really don't want to rent it. If it hadn't been for that woman giving me that stuff, it wouldn't have been as much as it is. Yeah. But then George's guys, Bobby and his friend were hauling off all of the scrap. And I had took out the 2 bottom drawers because there's like 3 drawers right next to the door. I took out the 3 bottom drawers because there was a bunch of junk and I wanted to get it out of there. Well, I put the drawers on top of the refrigerator so that it went away.
Like I'd better have the right than the left.
And I guess he heard me broken. I thought whenever I went to work, the judge would give me permission to get rid of the debt. But he said he made a judgment against her that she owed me $350. Whoopee, I knew that.
Right.
And I said, I wanted you to give me permission.
Lucky.
Yep.
And he said to keep it for 30 days. And I said, well, it's been well over 30 days because I gave her notice on October the 8th.
Right.
30 days, yeah. So, and she was gone. I mean, like the guy that was going to serve her the papers to go to court said he couldn't find her.
Yeah.
And I said, and of course, Bobby and his friends said,
Crazy. Matt, you missed it.
You can stop the video whenever you want.